to find the percentage of a quantity. So this is the type in this percent and percentage. I'll show problems first. Let's take one question. They're asking what is 20 percentage of 60. Before starting the word problems, let us see the basic concepts in this. If they're asking 20% of 60, this convert into this terms 20 percentage. So first part is 20 percentage. To convert into fractions, that is 20 by 100, right? Up to 20%, no, the symbol. So 20 by 100 of 60, that means times. Instead of this of, keep the into symbol. 60 it is. 20% of 60 is 20 by 100 into 60. Okay, this you have to calculate. Same way, they're asking 40%. 40 percentage of 7.5. So in this 40 by 100, so remove this percentage symbol, so divide by 100 of into 7.5. so this we have to calculate to get the answer. So calculation is simple. 0 0 cancel and 2 6 are 12. So 20% of 60 is 12. In 60, 20 percentage is the 12 now, right? In 7.5, what is the 40 percentage? That means answer should be less than 75 only. 40 percentage of 7.5. Now 0 0 cancel, you can simplify more this. 4 into 7.5 and 30 by 10, that is 3. Okay, so 3 is the 40% of 7.5. Now this is the method or this concept you use in this word problems. Let me show you one question. For example, out of 50 apples, most of the questions you can see only like this. We just make the equation into this sentence format and solve. Okay, the question is out of 50 apples, 20 percentage were eaten. First statement. And 20% of the remaining. 20% of remaining were rotten. %20 of the remaining were rotten. Now find the number of apples left. Find the number of apples left. Right. So this is the question. First statement, out of 50 apples, 20% were eaten. So total apples is 50. So number of apples eaten. First you have to find out number of apples eaten. So the statement is 20% of total. So like previous, no, 40% of 7.5, those type. That is, as per this question, 20% of 50. This we can calculate. So 20% of 50 is 20 by 100 into 50, right? So 50 ones are 50, 2 is 100. 20 by 2 is 10. So 10 apples eaten is over. Now 20% of the remaining. 20% of the remaining. Remaining you have to find out first. So number of apples, number of remaining apples. Number of remaining. Number of remaining apples is already out of 50, 10 are finished. That means 50 minus 10. So 40. 40 is the remaining. Now 20% of the remaining were rotten. They spoiled. So number of apples rotten. Number of apples rotten, that is 20% of the remaining. That means 20% of remaining is 40. Again we have the statement, no, 20% of 40. So what should do? 20 by 100 into 40. You can calculate this. 25 is a 5 8. So 8, number of apples rotten is 8. No number of apples left. Therefore number of apples left. Already previous 40 is remaining. In that 8 are rotten. So that means 40 minus 8. So 32. So the statement you have to convert into this percentage notation, then solve, and according to the question you have to find out, right? Most of the word problems you can notice the same type in this percentage and percentage. And we supposed to solve now percentage change. Change in the percentage problems I'll explain one by one.